You fit solve dis maths problem. If you sabi am, be sey you sabi am. If you no sabi am, make you join me make we see how we go take solve am. Which math method na im we go use? Make we check. To solve dis question, wetin we go do na to first use one small logic, see how we go take solve dis question. And which small logic we go wan use? Now, make we use dis logic. The first one, make we just take am sey x to the power of y dey equal to x to the power of y divided by 2 divided by 2. To the power of 2 divided by 2. I no change anything, and dat one go dey equal to, for indices, e get how we go take do am. If we take y divided by 2 all square, na indices. So I no change anything. Now for the next one, we go do am for the same thing for dis one wey be y to the power of x. So we go take y to the power of x as y to the power of x to the power of 2 divided by 2. We no change anything. Dis one too go be equal to y to the power of x to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 2. We never change anything. Now wetin we go do now? Wetin we go do now na to insert dis and dis and replace am with dis two expression wey dem give us here. So when we replace am, dat expression go now give us x to the power of y divided by 2 all squared minus y to the power of x divided by 2 all squared, and dis will be equal to 17. So if we don take dis one now, make we apply another logic. For dat second logic, I go take my x to the power of y divided by 2 to be equal to m. And I go take my y to the power of x divided by 2 to be equal to p. So I get two things now, m and p. So how I go take solve dis expression? Dat mean sey anywhere wey I see m, I go replace am with dis. Anywhere wey I see dis, I go replace am with m. And anywhere wey I see dis, I go replace am with p. Now if we solve dat one, dat expression go now give us m square minus p square, and dis go dey equal to 17. Now dis one look very much like difference of two square. Remember algebra. For algebra, if I get a square, if I get my a square minus b square, dis go dey equal to a plus b and wetin? A minus b. So wetin I go do now na to write dis one like algebra. Dat one go give me m minus p, m plus p, and m minus p. You fit write any one, which one wey come first dey okay. Now two of dem go dey equal to 17. So wetin I go do now be sey, for mathematics, the answer fit be either 17 times 1 or e fit be either 1 times 17. Any one wey enter dey okay. Now you go see sey out of dis two expression, one big pass one. M plus p dey bigger than m minus p. So we go give the bigger one the bigger number. If we give the bigger one the bigger number, we go form two equation. We go take our m plus p go dey equal to 17, and then we go take our m minus p to dey equal to 1. Dis one go be equation 1 and dis one go be equation 2. So if we solve dis two equation simultaneously, na wetin dem go. To solve dis two equations simultaneously, we go just add two of dem. If we add two of dem, dis one na minus, dis one na plus. Dat mean sey dis one go cut dis one. So we go be m plus m go give me 2m. 2m go dey equal to 17 plus 1 go give me 18. So if I look dis two equation, I go divide dis two equation. Dis go divide by 2 and dis go divide by 2. If dis cut this, then my m go dey equal to 18 divided by 2 go be 9, and this na the first answer to the first equation. Now, if we put this for the second equation, for the first equation, we put the value of m for the first equation. This one go give me m plus p equal to 17. This go give me 9 plus p. This one go dey equal to 17. So the value of my p go dey equal to 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 go give me wetin? 17 minus 9 go make my p to be equal to 8. Now, this na the two answer to p and m. Now, that one no be our answer because remember, we say for this expression that x to the power of y divided by 2 na equal to m, and y to the power of x divided by 2 na equal to p. And the main equation say make we find the value of x and y. So make we go back to that two expression. We will substitute that thing. If we take that equation, remember we say x to the power of y divided by 2, we say e dey equal to m, and we say y to the power of x divided by 2 dey equal to p. So we wan find x and y. If we find the value of x and y, make we simplify this one first. This one go give us x to the power of y divided by 2 dey equal to 9, na im be m. So if we simplify this one, how we wan take simplify am? Make we start by taking the square of both sides. So if I get x to the power of y divided by 2, if I take am square, this one go dey equal to, remember, this one na 3 square, and 3 square go be wetin? Go be square. So wetin this one go give me na, this one go cut this one, and then we go get our x to the power of y to dey equal to 3 to the power of 2 times 2 go give us 4. So this look like one simple answer wey we don get. Now, if we go for the other one, we go see say this one go give us y to the power of x divided by 2 equal to 8. Now, if we take the square of both sides, we will get y to the power of x divided by 2, all na square. This one go dey equal to 4 times 2, na im be 8, all squared. Now, if we simplify this one, we will get the answer to become, this one go cut this one. So we will get y to the power of x to dey equal to 4 go carry square, and then 2 go also carry square. So y to the power of x go dey equal to 4 square and wetin? And this one go give us 2 square go give us 4. And na the same thing with 4 to the power of 1. So if that one be the same thing with 4 to the power of 1, that means x to the power of x, y to the power of x go dey equal to, for indices, this go fit add this, and that one go give us 4 to the power of 3. So check this equation, make you check this equation well. You go see say wetin be the x as base, na im be the power of x for this same expression. So that one go tell us say our answer x dey equal to 3 and our value of y dey equal to 4. This na the two solution to this maths problem. You gree abi you no gree? If you no gree, okay, make we check say the answer dey correct. Wetin be our original question wey dem give us? The original question wey dem give us na x to the power of y minus y to the power of x dey equal to 17. So make we put the value of x and y into those two equations. If we put the value of x and y into that two equations, remember we say x to the power of y minus y to the power of x dey equal to 17. Now, make we put the value of x and y. From that equation, you go see say if we put the value of x, x na 3 to the power of 4 minus this one na 4 to the power of 3. Say dem fit be equal to 17. Make we see am. 3 to the power of 4 na 81, and 4 to the power of 3 na 42. So if you subtract am, you go find out say dis go give us 17. So you go see say 17 dey equal to 17. So dat tell us say the value of our x wey dey equal to 3 and the value of our y wey dey equal to 4 na the two solution wey match dat equation wey dem give us up there. So you see say dis thing dey very very simple, and na so you fit take solve question wey come out for Olympiad exam. If you really enjoy dis video, dis na Unique Pidgin Academy where we dey bring una all subject and topic for pidgin and mother language so dat una go fit understand am well well. If you like dis video, make you no forget to share am for your friend, make una talk about am, and make you no forget to subscribe to my channel for more of our con ten t. Thank you very much, and I go like see you watch our next video. Bye bye.